I was so wrong about this place. Have you ever heard of a place in Japan called Takatsuki? Yeah, me neither. At first, I was like, is it just another random spot in Japanese countryside? But man, I was so wrong. It's actually better than the countryside. It's like the ultimate cheat code for living in Kansai. So we are here today to check out a new house that just opened in March. Takatsuki is in the middle of the Osaka and Kyoto, so location-wise, it's a total win. If you hop on just Special Rabbit, you're in Osaka Umeda in 15 minutes or Kyoto Station in 12 minutes. The best part, you don't even have to leave the station area to get your life sorted. There are department stores like Hankyu, plus the Takatsuki Center-street, a massive covered shopping street packed with local restaurants. Living in an older city like this comes with some pro tips. In big cities like Tokyo, people usually ignore their neighbors, but in traditional areas, silence is, well, suspicious. Always hit people with a clear "Ohayo gozaimasu" or "Konnichiwa." Trust me, being friendly goes a long way here. Walk into the house. The first thing you notice is how quiet it is. For traveling, crowds feels alive, but for daily life, less people feels like peace. I honestly recommend choosing a quiet residential area like this. You can thank me later. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit far from the station, about 15 minutes on foot. But once you get close to the house, convenience is back. There is a family mart, a skiya, and a big drugstore all within 3 minutes walk. Japanese people might be cold sometimes, but these stores, never. They're always there for you. Tucked into a small side street, we arrived GRAN Takatsuki. It's a newly opened 3 floors concrete buildings with 40 rooms. When I walked in, they were actually having an opening party. By the way, even you don't live in an Oakhouse yet, you can use Oakhouse app to join this event. It's a great way to meet locals, practice the language, or even start your own event to find people who share your hobbies. Let's talk room first. Rent is around 65,000 yen plus a 20,000 yen utility fee. The price shifts a bit depending on which way the room faces and how much sunlight you get. The rooms are about 15 square meters and come with a semi-double bed, great for singles or even couples. You get a balcony, a big window, a desk, a private fridge. But real talk, the storage is not enough. You're definitely going to need to buy some extra furniture or organizers after you move in. Here's where the share house's life beats a tiny apartment. The lounge is bright and beautiful, big TV, cozy sofas, and interior design actually looks high-end. I can already see myself losing hours playing games here with housemates. The kitchen is also a highlight. It's bright and fully loaded. This kitchen has 3 iron stoves in total, free to use cookware in the drawers. Just wash it and put it back after you use. And brand new appliances such as coffee machines, rice cookers, bowls, plates, and utensils. And MVP of the kitchen, the ice maker machine. That's a luxury in summer. For the business side of things, showers are all on the first floor. There are 6 booths, including one with a bathtub and dedicated women-only room with a keypad lock. For each floor, there is a toilet area and a laundry area beside of it. All of the washing machines are new. Also, iron and iron board are free to use. On the second floor, there's a gym area. It's big enough for a solid workout, and they provide free wipes for keep things clean. On the third floor, there is a work-from-home zone. The chairs are actually comfortable, which is rare, and is essential if you're sitting at desks all day. Finally, you've got to see what's nearby. A short walk from the house is a Amaside Park. It is massive, gorgeous park that just opened recently. It's got a coffee shop, food corner, and is a great spot for a weekend picnic. When I went, there was a craft market happening. You know, Japanese craft shops, they have the coolest, one-of-the-kind handmade stuff. Deep in the park, there's a huge open space where families and dogs just vibing out. Honestly, finding a house this close to a park this big is almost impossible in Tokyo. So that's the tour. If you're curious about this house, check the link in description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you in next one.